Hello, this is Lego Bioformers. Today I'm going to show you how to transform Ultimate Skull Grinder. So, let's first take off his weapons. And then, put his arms up. You gotta fold them down. That part is actually simple from Cole Sakai, a bioformer that I watch on TV. But then, do it like this. Then, you put the legs like this. It doesn't matter if it breaks. Flip this. Then you got to flip it over. Flip the feet around. Make sure the legs are like this.
What are you doing?
Now, now, this part might be kind of tricky. You need to do this. And pull this out. Then do that. Put the head in on the body so the eyes won't cover. Lay it down. Then, finally, unconnect the legs. Unconnect them. Lay the legs out straight like this. Then lift. Alright, then with those leg parts, you'll need to add these for canisters. Then lay the canisters down. Same thing with the other canister. Alright. Add room so the feet can go in. Put in the wrapped hands. I just have to do that.
Want to describe what you're doing?
I am doing the part of. I'm doing the parts so it can look. The vehicle should look like this when you're done. Transform it back into robot. That part's easy. I'm not going to explain. So, better follow the steps if you're at home waiting to transform it back into robot. Better try it by yourself.
And what's the name of this guy?
And this guy's name is Ultimate Skull Grinder. The canisters will face up in this mode also. Alright. Fold the canisters down. Alright, canisters need to go down. And then, it's supposed to be done, but if you want, you can add his weapons. Like his Mask Taker offer and his sword. That's how. That is actually a good video, but these canisters needed to go right here. Because on feet, it will make the feet bend a bit. We wanted to stand up straight. So, here's what it looks like standing up. Hold on, I'll be right back with another Bionicle. Someone will talk more for it. So, I'll get